nobody else. I've tried and tried to make it clear that what I want is not real at all.
What kind of joint is this?
The time has come for me to see just how much it means to me to tell someone of what went on. Now that the Birdman's gone, even though you'll find it strange, all along the Birdman really was me.
By Jove, I think we've got it.